The beetles. Beetles are etheromic. The beetles' metabolism change when they are put in different room temperature.
In warm temperature, the beetle just walk around individually doing their work. In cold temperature, the beetle froze and don't move or do anything. In hot temperature, the beetle act violently and get hype and do more work.
If the environment is warm, then they wouldn't release that much CO2, so they might die. The CO2 in the cold water are given off lesser or is produced lesser. The CO2 in the hot water is given off more because the water is vaporizing. Independent. Different temperature environment. Dependent. How much of CO2 has been released? Control. Natural room environment temperature. Constant. The beetles. Large family. Higher class. They are vegetarians. They are the higher class in the beetles. The egg hatches from 4 to 19 days to hatch. Takes 2 to 3 weeks up to 9 months and lives off in a few months. And the whole process takes about a year.
This is the graph of the CO2 the beetle gives off when they were dipped in different temperature of water. In cold environment, the line is low because the beetles are giving off less CO2. Because it's cold and they wouldn't release any. In hot environment, the line is really high because they are hot. They get more hype and work more. They are sweating, so they give off more CO2 when the sweat vibrate vapor to the cloud. Their opponents are lizards, spiders, and birds. Those three opponents likes to eat beetles. The beetle can be placed in level 1 because they don't have a lot of predators and is vegetarian. The beetle food web is oak leaf, oak beauty moth caterpillar, ground beetle, shrew, and fox. This is the chart of the beetle, and the beetle is in the secondary. Yes, I accept the hypothesis because warm temperature doesn't affect the beetle, and for them, it's a good environment to work. Yes, warm water makes the beetle more hype, and the beetle works harder. Yes, we have made mistakes with our iPad. We couldn't figure out if we had the timer on. We couldn't plant the stakes on the ground. We also messed up the square part. Yes, the beetles could affect it as in their health and their age. This is the web that we went into to search for our project.